Let me introduce myself. I am Adili Fiartian. Here I will show you how to use a smell fan. The first step is to place the fan in a standing position. The second step is to plug the power cord into the socket. Then turn the on button on the back of the fan. That's how to use a smell fan. Thank you.